You can start talking.
So this is a 1985 Emmick Elite that I acquired last October from Jim Ryder. For those of you who know who Jim Ryder is.
Yes, sir.
He had this kart for several years. I don't know exactly how long. But anyway, so he sold it to me in October. It did not have front brakes on it then. He had a different fairing and some different, obviously different seat.
Yep.
I am running a 135cc Komet K35 on alcohol. The cylinders, all that's done to it is the exhaust ports have been modified by Bill McCornack. It's a 196 Tillotson on methanol with a Bacco axle clutch.
And also come up and
which is the way to go, in my opinion, especially when you're talking about big horsepower engines.
Yep.
Jim Ryder did a lot of nice modifications to make these karts better than they were, like the rear brakes.
Like the rear brake, he is noted for that.
Yes, absolutely. And if you really look back over there around on the accelerator, what you can see is very different than a stock Emmick. And this gives infinite adjustment for both where you want it to stop coming back and how far you want it to travel.
Yep.
And it makes it so easy to get it perfect versus the stock setup.
Very trick.
So the thing's working great. I had Skip Owen make me these nice Nerf bars because I want more protection when I'm driving. The standard one was just a single bar like that, which I have. I have all the original stuff for it.
come up here.
And that's about it, really. It's fast. I
Cool.
love it.
It's a cool kart.
Thank you very much.
1985 Emmick Elite.
Right after the kart show.
Lorenzo's kart. He always has really nice equipment. Does a nice job with everything and runs good on the track. So he's kind of smiling and laughing at me, but that'd be a good idea. Get Lorenzo's give us an idea of what's going on with this kart.